Hey, part one, we're going to go ahead and review the ending for She Sings. I'm going to do it once. I'm just going to sing the last verse, meaning this one. She cries for those who have never loved. And I'm singing the ending just to kind of jog your memory. If you want to sing with me, great. If you want to listen the first time, that's fine. She cries. 1, 2. She cries for those who have never loved and for those who never sing. So reminder what happens. You sing, she cries for those who have never loved and then you go to the second ending. And for those who never, we call it a caesura, we cut off, sing, and we fade away, okay? So the hardest part is just knowing that transition. And for those who never sing. Can you try and for those? So your and for is all the way up here. Ready? And go. And for those who never sing. Okay, so let's try to put that together. Can you sing, she cries for those who have never loved? And here you go. She cries for those who have never loved and for those who never sing. Okay, now let's go back even further. Sing the first verse. She cries for light when the day is done. She fears what night may bring. She cries for those who have never loved and for those who've never sing. Let's give it a try. Try it. Ready? And go. She cries for light when the day is done. She fears what night may bring. She cries for those who have never loved and for those who never sing. Okay, does that make sense? Let's try that one more time. She cries for light. My dog's about to come in from being wet, so he's going to be an absolute nutcase, so you're probably going to hear him running around. She cries for light. 1, 2, sing. That's okay. 1, 2, go. She cries for light when the day is done. She fears what night may bring. She cries for those who have never loved and for those who never sing. Okay, so that's that ending. Let's go all the way back to the beginning, try to put it all together and see how it goes, all right? This is the last day we're reviewing this before you decide which song you want to sing for your recording assignment. All right, here we go. Far away in a far-off land, there's a child who loves to sing. She opens up her fragile heart, and her song it takes wing. She sings on the grass, on the cool green grass that was loose and she belonged. She lies with hair open like a fan in the warmth of summer sun. She sings light when the day is done. My dog is just. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna keep going. Sorry. She cries for light. You're the best. See, you didn't break. I broke when something funny happened. She cries for light. Ready? And go. She cries for light when the day is done. She fears what night may bring. She cries for those who have never loved and for those who never see. Okay, then you hold that. I just can't stop laughing because my dog is running laps around the house. Milo, come here. Come here. Come here. Hop up. If any of you have a dog and you take them outside, do they just like, when it's wet outside, do they like run laps around the house until they're not wet? Sorry, he was being so crazy and I just couldn't. Can you look in there? In the computer? People are in there. All right, thank you for being patient with me as I deal with my crazy dog. Hope you have a good day. Remember, you get to choose which one you want to record, whether it's She Sings or Give Us Hope. Totally your choice. All right, guys, have a good day.